I think that in training and simulation, the most important area is today to put together what is already available. So our ambition, and we are working on that, is to integrate and make interoperable different assets that look after any issue that is related to modeling and simulation in support to design as well as in support to advanced training for our customer. What is important is to agree what is really the key element of this scenario. And to do that, we need to collaborate and cooperate with those that are the stakeholders in charge of making intervention and response to this natural disaster or new emerging threat like cyber warfare. So again, collaborative becomes very important. Technologies, industry has to cooperate tightly with the end user, whether these are military corps or institutional organization, no matter. What it is important is to share and decide together what to do, how to do, which standard, and I think half of the road has been done. I'm pretty proud about the capability that Finmeccanica Group have in modeling and simulation. You know that our group is diversified. We operate in space, in aeronautics, helicopter, electronics for defense, security, energy and transport. This allows us to have a quite comprehensive view about the different typology of requirements that are subtended by modeling and simulation. What we are doing again is to put together ideal solution to integrate and make interoperable all these capabilities that are across all the companies of the group and try to extract more value integrating together. Another issue is about the techniques that allow to do such integration that are mainly integrated to ICT technology and all the level of security, because we should not forget that in certain area classification information needs to be handled according to the law. The key technology of modeling and simulation sector are today under different typology. I would say that the most important one are the enhancement to the way scenario can be presented to make them more real, although they are virtual. So everything related to augmented reality, immersive 3D representation, everything that allow to be in a virtual world as to be in the physical world. Then a new frontier is, of course, everything that is related to the cognitive technique, everything that allow to simulate also how the human behavior should match with the scenario where it is expected to operate. It is important not only to prepare to manage complex technology in terms of solution equipment, but also to prepare yourself to do the task that you have to do in the operational field at the best. Well, as far as a future development in terms of cooperation between military and non-military organizations, I think that it is important to create the condition where these two different institutional organizations can share things that are common each other, particularly in the actual scenario where we have a lot of peacekeeping operation. In such a sense, I think that the distributed networking, which allow and it's the enabler of integrated different aspects, could be the most fertile technology to foster this cooperation across different institutions and create a real virtual system of systems that can serve different applications in a true sense of dual application for modeling and simulation. Well, ITEC organization is felt as an important organization that can foster the dialogue across different stakeholders. It's an opportunity to come together once every year and share our technological development that individually has been brought forward. So I think that ITEC is felt very important. As far as Italy is concerned, I would say that modeling and simulation is a core competence and it's something that is felt either by the military organization and by the other non-military organization in Italy as a need to have more and more for the future that we will face.